Discover endless creativity with no-fade 2 meters stainless steel chains. Welcome to our channel where creativity knows no bounds. Introducing our game-changing no-fade 2 meters stainless steel chains, your ultimate companion for crafting exquisite DIY jewelry. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned jewelry enthusiast, these chains are here to revolutionize your accessory game. Product highlights: uncompromising quality. Crafted with precision from top-tier stainless steel, these chains redefine durability. Waterproof, break-resistant, and immune to deformation, they're built to stand the test of time, ensuring your creations remain as stunning as the day you crafted them. Explore sizes and styles. Your imagination deserves no limits, and that's why we offer an array of styles and sizes to fuel your creativity. Design endless combinations of necklaces and bracelets that resonate with your style. The possibilities are boundless. Customer assurance. We value your satisfaction above all else. If you encounter any issues with our product, don't hesitate to reach out. Our dedicated buyer protection service is at your beck and call, ready to address any concerns and ensure your experience with our chains is nothing but extraordinary. Stainless steel brilliance for your masterpieces. Material: premium stainless steel colors. Steel, KC gold, gold function, bracelet, necklace, earrings, anklet versatility. Perfect for jewelry making DIY. Unleash your inner artisan as you delve into the world of jewelry making with our top-tier stainless steel chains. Craft captivating necklaces, chic bracelets, elegant earrings, and anklets that resonate with your style. The stainless steel material guarantees enduring shine and brilliance, making your creations truly timeless. Don't let your jewelry designs be confined by limitations. Embrace the potential of no-fade 2 meters stainless steel chains and embark on a journey of innovation. Whether you're an enthusiast or a professional, these chains are your gateway to breathtaking, personalized accessories. Order now and watch your imagination come to life.